Has anybody's pockets got entirely out of control? You have your truck keys, your trailer keys, your wallet, your phone. I mean, the list goes on, am I right? At some point, you gotta stop your pockets from being a storage unit. Today, I'm checking out this AMJ Sling bag for my everyday carry. Now, as a full-time RVer, I'm always on the go and I'm always stuffing my pockets with stuff, right? If it's not a phone, if it's a camera, it's just whatever. And I thought, hey, there has to be a better way. So I picked up this AMJ Sling bag for an everyday carry, just to grab and go, to keep everything in one place, as I'm constantly always on the go, out and about, exploring new trails, exploring new sites and new places as a full-time RVer. I mean, half the fun is part of the journey, but I also want to just keep my stuff organized. So let me take you on a journey of this bag right here. All right, we're gonna cover this bag from top to bottom right here. Does it actually have enough space for everything that I need to carry comfortably? And we're gonna take a look at the quality and the construction and how to wear it really quick. Just off the top of my head, it looks like you have a main compartment right here, which is a big compartment. You have a smaller one, and then you have an outside compartment. Let's take a look at this. All right, so on the inside compartment right here, that's exactly where I'm probably gonna stash some gum right there. I'm a gum chewer, so I love doing that. Right here on this zipper, on this place right here, it's not as deep right here, so that's probably a really good place to stash my trailer keys. So we're gonna do that. We're gonna put my trailer keys right there, as well as my truck keys, so I just have all of my keys in one compartment. All right, next thing up is your main compartment. All right, so in the main pouch, it actually comes with a USB-C connector right here, so you can actually connect it to this port right here, so you can charge your phone if you want to carry a phone charger. So I thought I'd put that to the test. Insert phone charger, and it does have a separate pouch for that right there, so it doesn't move around, and it keeps it pretty sleek and clean right there. Then you have a bigger pocket right here, and you have one main compartment and then a forward-facing compartment right here. That is probably where I'm gonna put my phone, right there. And let's be honest, I'm probably gonna keep my phone in my pocket because I like to pull it out really quickly. So insert wallet. We're gonna put the wallet in the main compartment, some sunglasses in the main compartment, and then your essential kit that every backpack needs to have is some nourishment, some healthy nourishment right there. All right, now that is packed with my everyday essentials. That's looking pretty good. I don't know if this bag is gonna make me look cool or not, but at my age, it's not about looking cool. It's about being comfortable and having my pockets free. But also, okay, it's a little bit looking cool because I didn't want a fanny pack, but this works good on the back or on the belly. Whether you want a front or a backpack, this is gonna work, and it's gonna work great. I can adjust the size, which I'm probably gonna do right now. You can adjust the size of this so that you can make it more of a sling bag like that and carry it a little bit lower, which feels a little more comfortable. Plus, you can see here, I am charging my phone while I am hiking, walking, and going throughout the day if I need to do that. If I don't need to charge my phone, I can just pull this USB-C out of this slot right here and stick this in the bag until I need to charge it. So I'm ready to go for whatever adventure, and you can stow it away and have it accessible for if you need it again, if your phone decides to die on you, because you're taking so many pictures, because now you're ready to go out on your day adventure anytime, anywhere, any day.